2, G prime, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, B prime, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, and S prime. Go ahead and connect all the primes together. It should give you the exact same quadrilateral. If it's not the exact same quadrilateral, folks, you did something wrong. You did something wrong. Maybe you graphed it wrong. Maybe you slid one point a little further than it should have. But they should be the exact same quadrilateral. It's just shifted. Alright, so we just translated. Now we need to take this image, which we're not done with it. That's not our answer. We've only translated it. We took this and we went and we moved it up and to the right along that vector 5, 2, over 5, up 2. We need to now reflect this image. So for me, it's in black pen. Not the original. That's the original. I need to take this and reflect it over the x-axis. So this horizontal line here, your x-axis, that's what we need to reflect it over. So let's reflect this. I'm a distance of, let's do t first. I'm a distance of 1, 2, 3 away from the x-axis. So I need to go 1, 2, 3 on the other side. This is called T double prime. So put 2 tick marks with that T. Same thing with G. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 away from the x-axis. I need to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 down here. G double prime. Okay, B. Let's go over to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I'm counting 6 away. Here, if you're like, Mr. Kosal, what are you doing? What are you doing? You're looking at the perpendicular distance. So the perpendicular distance from B to the x-axis, the line of reflection, is 6. So go 6 on the other side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There's B double prime. And then this distance is, perpendicular. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Uno, dos, tres, cuatro. Bam. There's S double prime. Connect them. Perfect. Looks good. Looks good. Here's your final answer, everybody. Go ahead and label your pre-image. And this is your image. This is kind of like the middle step. This is the stepping stone. We first translated it, and then we reflected over the x-axis. Folks, that's all you're doing. That's all you're doing in your homework. I figured I'd give you an easy lesson today. I think we need an easy lesson. So finish this homework assignment quickly, and focus on your other e-learning assignments from your other classes. I'm sure getting 4 or 5 lessons a day is not easy. There's a lot of stuff you got to stay on top of. So. All right, let me do one more example and call it quits. Example 2, EX2. All right, let's do a triangle this time. Triangle, TUV, has vertices. That's a has. That's a has. Has vertices. T, 2, -1. U, 5, -2, and V, let's do 3, -4. Okay, graph, triangle TUV, and its image, after a translation, along the vector, let's do -1, 5, and a reflection in the line y equals x. Cool. Let's get started. Draw an XY axis. I like to label my XY axis. It's kind of a habit, really. Let's see. Over 2, down 1. So yesterday, so it's Wednesday right now, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, -2. Yesterday it was about 74, 75 degrees outside. I really, really hope every single one of you got outside and enjoyed yourself just a little bit. Hopefully you're not cooped up in your house like 99% of the United States is. Hopefully you got a chance to get outside and, I don't know, shoot some hoops in your driveway, or, I don't know, climb a tree, or go for a run, or do something. Hopefully you got outside. It's beautiful. And then today I think the high is going to be 47, 49, somewhere in there. I don't know. It's going to be a lot colder today. So if you didn't get outside, you missed your chance. Missed your chance. All right, graph that triangle. I think I graphed it right. And graph that after its image, and its image after a translation along that vector. Okay, let's go ahead and translate. Wait a minute. Yep, we always translate first, reflect second. Perfect. I want to make sure I'm doing this right. We're going to translate first, so down, or back 1, I should say, up 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. T prime. Back 1, up 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's U prime. Back 1, up 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Alright, and that's V prime. Okay, we slid it. We slided it. That's grammatically incorrect. We moved it. We translated it. There we go. We translated it up and that way. That was a vector -1, 5. Perfect. Now we need to reflect over the line y equals x. Remember what that line looks like. It's not the x-axis. It's not the y-axis. It's not even a point. Some of you might think that's a point. Remember, this is in slope-intercept form, which is y equals mx plus b. There is a number in front of that x. It's 1. So this is the same thing as y equals 1x. And there is a number after the x. It's really 0. So if we were to graph that, it's a slope of 1, also known as 1 over 1, and the y-intercept is 0. So if I were to graph that, let's graph it really quick. I'm going to go to 0, make a point. Okay, slope, I need to go up 1 over 1, 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 up 1 over 1. You could go down 1, back 1. See, do I have a ruler? I don't have a ruler on my desk. Okay, I'm just going to freehand this. Folks, that's the line y equals x. You need to take this image that you've already translated, and you need to reflect it over that line. Alright, for me, I'm going to work with these points here. Actually, instead of putting the points right next to, you know what, I'm not going to do that. I'm not going to do that. Here, I'm going to come over here. T prime. I'm going to go give it a space U prime. Give it a space V prime. So, let's see. If I moved T, 1 to the left, and up 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. What is that point? What is that? 1, 4? If I go over 1 up to 4, go over 1 up 4, yeah, I should get there. V prime, that's an easy one. I think I go over 2 up 1. I think I did that right. Over 2 up 1. I kind of skipped U prime, sorry. U prime. If I go 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. What is that? 4, 3? Okay. Now, if you remember how to take a point or a triangle like this and reflect it over the line y equals x. It's one thing to remember what this line looks like. That's y equals x right there. But it's another thing to remember how to reflect it over that line. Here's the easy fix, or here's the easy way to remember. Y equals x. Here's the x. Here's the y at every point. Switch them. Because the x equals the y. The y equals the x. The y equals the x. So T double prime, let's see, it was 1, 4, switch them. It's going to be 4, 1. U double prime is going to be 3, 4. And V double prime is going to be 1, 2. So, graph those points, and you should get your answer. And I got so many colors going on up here right now. Let's go green Sharpie. Alright, I need to go over 1, 2, 3, 4, up 1. There's T double prime. Okay? Put a little check next to that. Over 3, up 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. There's U double prime. And then V double prime is over 1, up 2. Connect them. Make a triangle. Looks kind of cool, actually. So this green triangle is going to be your final answer, and that is your original pre-image. Okay, there's a lot going on in this graph, everybody. There's a lot going on here. You've got 6 of these in your homework tonight. So here we go, folks. Here's what I want you to work on. Page 655. I'd like you to do 7 through 12 all. Once again, 6 questions. That's all I want you to do. I am going to have you submit this to me. Once again, same thing as the review guide, the chapter 8 review guide. When you are finished with this, I'd like you to take a picture of it, and I'd like you to send it to my email. If you don't know my email, it's on the school website, bkosal@union.k12.in.us. It's on the website. Some of you have already emailed me once, twice, 7 times, 13 times. Send me the email. I do need this. I'm going to make this due. I'm going to make this due by tonight at midnight. That's 12 o'clock, folks. That's 12 o'clock p.m. or a.m., however you want to look at it. But tonight at midnight, I need a picture of this in my inbox. I'm going to be looking at every single one of your homework assignments, so please make sure you do this. Please do not wait until 11:55. Some of you finished the quiz at 11:47. Not smart, folks. Be smart with this. Get these problems done. Send it to me. And yeah, we'll see you next Monday. Remember, no school on Friday. It's Good Friday, so I'll see you all next Monday. Take care.